Hey guys, I had a taste for some salmon burritos, so how about we make it together? I hope you're excited like I am. For this video, I am using my electric burner. Of course, I'm sure you're going to use your gas stove, so the cooking time won't take too long when you're cooking your salmon. I'm using seasoned salt, paprika, ground black pepper, and I used a little olive oil in the beginning. And because I'm using my electric burner, I cooked this salmon a little bit too long. Well, not too long, but it was longer than it should have been. But for you, it should be no more than 5 to 7 minutes till you get that beautiful color. You don't want to overcook it and dry it out either. You love that fat, which is the actual healthy fats from the salmon. Is delicious. Oh my gosh. So I'm going in with some leftover frozen corn. If you have fresh corn, you can cut that. If you have canned, you do whatever is best for you and your home. So I seasoned my corn with a little Himalayan pink salt, ground black pepper, pretty simple. Because I'm using my electric burner, as again, all of my stuff was getting cooked for maybe 15 minutes. It felt like it took all day to make this corn. Next time I'm just gonna record on my gas stove. But it should take you guys no longer than like maybe about 10 minutes to get that golden corn. I like mine to caramelize and get that dark color. Now we're about to make our burritos. I'm using Sriracha mayo. I love this Sriracha mayo. And then we're just starting off with the rice as our base to hold everything together. Then we're gonna go in with the corn. And then after we put the corn in, we're gonna top it off with some salmon. Listen, I love me a good burrito. I meant to add some bell peppers and onions, but because it was just so late, I decided to just do what I could do at the time. The kids had to go to bed and I didn't feel like doing extra stuff. Listen, that's the Hoisin sauce. Y'all can find both of these sauces in your international aisle. In any supermarket, you should be able to find it. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I wonder what's coming up next week. I'll let you guys know. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. More recipes coming soon. And don't forget, we all have 24 hours in a day, right? How about we take at least 1 hour of our time and spend it with God? Now you got that too. So love you guys. Peace out.